The 46-120 cylindrical battery 75 ppm assembly line. It's a fully automated battery assembly line independently developed by United Winners Laser. It consists of pallet reflow line, kneading and wrapping machine, collector plate welding machine, shell insertion machine, sealing welding machine, pre-helium leak detection machine, logistics line, and the sealing pin welding machine. This assembly line adopts a modular design, arranged in a standalone serial line format. Each unit uses bus communication and can operate independently. The assembly line features high production speed, minimal personnel requirements, high automation, strong compatibility, and easy upgrades for capacity expansion.